Hello, my friends. Hello, how you doing? This is A2Z Investor, and I am Romeo the Professor, where we talk and invest about crypto, forex, stocks, real estate. When you subscribe to this channel, you're going to receive exclusive trending Bitcoin, altcoin news, technical analysis, forecasts for the best cryptos to buy based on the latest data. What we will be talking about today. Crypto investment firm Grayscale reveals how it values Ethereum. I've been talking about Grayscale now for a good 2 months. Grayscale has been making big splashes in the cryptocurrency market. And we will be talking about Ethereum. Ethereum gathers momentum as Grayscale picks up 38 million in ETH. Did you hear me? 38 million in ETH in a single day. Now, our cryptocurrencies to watch list are based on the latest prices and user behavior, so subscribe. We normally share them throughout the video, so we'll let you know altcoins that we're watching and things of that nature. But before I start, I am not a financial advisor. None of this is meant to be construed as investment advice. It's for entertainment purposes only, so please subscribe now. We will also be talking about the live crypto prices and cryptocurrency market caps, which currently moving. And we will talk about the most visited coins as normal. And who knows, I might talk about DeFi space. And we will do a price analysis on Ether. What do I think? If it's positioned for a buy now, if you're buying it as an investment, or if you're trading it. So without further ado, let's talk about the crypto investment firm Grayscale reveals how it values Ethereum. So now let's look in brief. Asset manager Grayscale has released a new guide for investors looking to get into Ethereum. So they're pushing their investors to Ethereum, just like they did with their Bitcoin that they published about 6 months back in the summer. Now, if you don't know, Grayscale manages over 4 billion in Ethereum native tokens. Okay, Grayscale crypto most dominant asset manager has released a new guide for investors looking to start with Ethereum. They're saying Ethereum paper for Grayscale research arm, which puts out reports on different aspects of the broader crypto ecosystem. Last summer, Grayscale released a similar guide called Valuing Bitcoin. So they released one that's called Valuing Ethereum. Now, the timing is amazing because Ethereum just now had a breakthrough where it saw all-time high, and it saw within the past 7 days 26% increase, and Ethereum currently is at 1644, which we're seeing a hard support at 1700, which I'll show you. Okay, now the paper basically said that Ethereum is a native asset, and it suggests that you can either look at Ether as a money, as a kind of commodity intrinsic Ethereum network, or as interest-bearing asset. Interesting. Now, the firm also suggests that Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, which are still potentially years away, could be a net positive for the value of Ether. Between the enormous amount of activity on Ether, the economic improvement to Ether, and the promise of increased scalability in Ether, there's a lot for Ethereum community to be excited about, wrote Grayscale Research Director Phil Bonello. Okay, so I will be doing a price analysis on Ether, so you don't have to watch this. I'll be doing it on TradingView so that you can see that. Now, Grayscale most popular investment vehicle remains Bitcoin, which we know that, which Bitcoin is the largest market cap, and Ether currently is sitting second. Now, Grayscale has 7 other single asset trusts that it created, which about 2 weeks ago, I showed you that they created in New Jersey. Now, the firm has 4.7 billion in Ether already, and it wants more and more and more and more. So let me click to here. So now you understand why I said Ether is gathering momentum, and it picked up 38 million in Ether. And Ethereum broke its all-time high, which again, I will be showing that. So, in brief, we know that Ether had one of its biggest days. We also saw 38 million in institutional inflow and saw a record day of open interest. Okay? Now, the protocol is currently the world's most actively used blockchain in terms of daily use and on-chain value transfer, with uses ranges from sophisticated decentralized finance apps to funky non-fungible tokens. People, I will be doing the top 10 DeFi and the top 10 NFTs. I believe they are the future for the next 3 years. Okay? So pay attention. Now, not only retail investors driving the prices of Ether, a filing released by institutional crypto fund manager Grayscale yesterday shows Ether Trust products, publicly traded products that holds an underlying value of 38 million yesterday. It reopened for business. So he added, reopening the trust, Ethereum Trust, with a potential black hole for the asset. This is because coins are getting locked up for a long period of time, meaning they can't be sold to depress the price. Essentially, this could end up reducing the amount of liquidity on exchanges. Coins that are being locked up currently now, Bitcoin and Ethereum. People. Okay. As Ethereum prices rise, some traders are betting for even higher prices. I will tell you where I think Ethereum is scaling to. Now, let's now look currently at the live crypto price of Ether. Ether right now is sitting at $1,583. The 7-day change, it did a 17% increase. If we look at the last 24 hours, it's basically even. Now, the last month, 62% increase. I see Ether having a potential to double faster before Bitcoin hits 72,000. I see Ether hitting 3,000 way faster. Okay, so we look from the currently most visited cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin number 1, Ether number 2, Bitcoin number 3. And then we have XRP, Polkadot, Cardano, Storm, Aave, Chainlink, and UMA. Now, out of these top 10 most visited, the ones I like and I'm bullish on, UMA, Aave, Cardano. But we're talking about Ether. So let's do a price analysis on Ether. Okay, so this is, we're looking at the monthly. If we click the monthly, so this is what's happening in the monthly. So as you can see, Ether is at an all-time high, passing where it was in 2018, passing where it was periodly in February 2018. Now, when we look from a weekly perspective, we see that it's been real bullish, okay? About 2 weeks ago, it was basically not making moves, but right now it's been real bullish that it came from 1,200. Now it's posted right at around 1,600. So from a daily perspective, we see that it's doing a pullback, which I knew that. So I had a red line right at 1476, which you saw that it blew past that right now it's going to become a support. So I see Ether coming down to that line and creating a support right at 1476, and might have a potential to drop down to 1370 before it does a tremendous bullish run and hit the 2000. I foresee Ether hitting 2000 right at the end of February. I do see that. So I am bullish on Ether. And I would like for you to do me a favor. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel now and write in your comment you subscribe and tell me your thoughts about the cryptocurrencies topics we talked about today, specifically Ether, and what is currently on my watch list now, which I told you that I'm bullish on Cardano, I'm bullish on Aave, and I'm bullish on UMA. Again, please subscribe and remember, I am with A2Z Investor. My name is Romeo the Professor. Thank you.